Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, as in a previous class, we have already started this lesson number 3 of history. Lesson number 3 of history. What is this name of the lesson? Ruling the
Countryside.
countryside. And already it was made clear that you are going to read about the village area. Hana, in this lesson. We have read about different policies which were started by the rulers, that is East India Company. As soon as East India Company got the Diwani in its hand, that is the right to collect the tax from the Bengal state. So as soon as the East India Company was made Diwan of Bengal, it started implementing many policies, one for and many settlements to increase or to improve the agriculture so that more and more profit can be made. In this series of improvement settlements were made. That is, first settlement we have read about the permanent settlement which was made in 1793, in which rajas and talukdars means the noble family, high class family people, the ruling class people were given the charge to collect the revenue. Even the permanent, as the name indicates, permanent settlement, we have seen that the amount to be paid to the East India Company, the amount of tax to be paid was fixed permanently. It was fixed. It will not be raised in future. ये ध्यान में रखा गया था कि जो भी अमाउंट है उतना कंपनी को पेमेंट करना ही करना है. किसके द्वारा? Rajas and talukdars, who were considered as zamindars in the permanent settlement. Then it was thought that the company will ensure a regular flow of revenue, means continuation of revenue will be the company will be getting in its company's coffers. Company's coffers, I had also made it clear that it is a small box holding valuable things. That is, company के खजाने में, अब अगर हम हिंदी में ढंग से करेंगे बोलेंगे तो कंपनी के खजाने में कंटिन्यूएशन में टैक्स आता रहेगा बंगाल की प्रजा से. तो इसीलिए यही बात का ध्यान रखा, इसलिए परमानेंट सेटलमेंट बनाया गया. Then further we have seen that this was complete failure because the company officials find out that zamindars were not taking interest in improving any land conditions, and even they were giving their land to the tenants. Tenants means to the other farmers to take care of. और उन फार्मर्स से वो क्या करते थे? जमींदार रेंट ले लेते थे काम करने का, और वो रेंट जो है कंपनी को दे देते थे. एंड फॉर दिस the condition of the farmers, that is the cultivators, was very bad because the zamindars were high, means asking very high rate of interest from the farmers or the cultivators who were cultivating their field. Then a new system, this also we have read about, the new system was devised, was started, and it was started by Englishman called Holt Mackenzie, and it came into effect, means it came into working in 1822. According to this, Holt Mackenzie has appointed many, we can say, collectors or many officials, and under that, under the direction of Holt Mackenzie only, these collectors or the officials went from village to village, inspecting the land, measuring fields, recording customs rights and of the different groups. Means properly survey was done of each and every field and land of the village, so that it can be noticed that how big is the land, how fertile the land is, and from that fertile land, or the means we can say the number of land, or we can say the importance of land जो इंस्पेक्ट किया था उसमें, तो वो कितना उस विलेज लैंड में से, whether it is cultivable land or not cultivable land, तो कितना चार्ज कर सकते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर लैंड से. It was clearly been inspected by the collectors of Holt Mackenzie. Clear? And this demand was to revise periodically. As in permanent settlement, we have seen that the revenue was fixed. The revenue which was fixed by the East India Company, that has to be paid by the zamindars to East India Company. But here it was revised periodically from time to time, inspecting the lands measuring fields was done by the collectors of Holt Mackenzie, and then it was noticed that कौन सी लैंड कितना फर्टाइल है, कितना उससे हमको प्रॉफिट मिल सकता है, whether the people will be able to pay from that land or not. तो वो सब ध्यान में रखते हुए time to time the periodically it was revised, the survey was done, and the payment was made to the company in the form of revenue. So this was also called as Mahalwari settlement. Mahalwari settlement means at that time, no problem, Shubhang, no problem. I'm just revising or recalling whatever we have done in our previous class. Clear? I have not started yet anything new. Just whatever we have done in our previous class, that is only I'm recalling what with the students. Fine. So at that time, village was called as Mahal. Here I had asked you to underline what is Mahal in British revenue records. British के जो revenue collection होता था, tax collection का record होता था, उसमें Mahal is a revenue estate. Mahal एक revenue estate है. It is a village from which it is one village or a group of village from which the zamindars were asked to collect the revenue for the company. Clear? तो महल क्या हो गया? It is a village or a group of village from which the revenue was collected. So that is why it was called as Mahalwari settlement. It was came to be known as Mahalwari settlement. Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Munro system. We have to start with Munro system.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now today we are going to start with the Munro system. Okay. Now in the British territories in the south, there was similar move away from the idea of permanent settlement. Now in the British territories, whatever territories, whatever areas or regions were under the Britishers in the southern part, that is in the southern part, sorry, in the southern part of India, there was a similar move away from idea of permanent settlement. जैसे यहाँ पर permanent settlement को नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न प्रोविंसेस जो बंगाल के थे, वो परमानेंट सेटलमेंट को बिल्कुल चेंज कर दिया, एंड इट वाज केम टू बी नोन एज महालवारी. It was permanently fixed in permanent settlement. The revenue was not fixed permanently in Mahalwari settlement. It was revised periodically. तो जैसे यहाँ पर नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न प्रोविंसेस में चेंज किया गया परमानेंट सेटलमेंट को, वैसे ही यहाँ पर ब्रिटिश टेरिटरीज जो सदर्न एरियाज में थी, वहां पर भी परमानेंट सेटलमेंट से थोड़ा सा अलग हट करके नया सिस्टम स्टार्ट किया गया, which was known as Rotwar or Rotwari system. So Rotwar and Rotwari system was started where? In which territories of British? In which territories of British was started? It is written here, southern areas, southern territories. Are you all sleeping? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sleeping? Or listening?
No, ma'am.
Ah.
No, ma'am.
You are listening, ma'am. Are you all sleeping? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So whenever I'm asking anything, please one of you at least give the response so that I think that yes, my class is live class. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So the British territory in the south was similar move away from the idea of permanent settlement. Permanent settlement का जो idea था, उससे little bit move away, means now permanent settlement was changed here in the southern part as Rotwari system. A new system was devised. Devised means a new system was new system came into planned. It was tried on small scale by Captain Alexander Reed, who had tried this new system.
Captain Alexander.
Very good, Garima. Captain Alexander Reed. And in some of the areas, they were taken over by the company after the wars with Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan से जब उनकी अटैक wars हुए, तब उन्होंने ये सेटलमेंट, दैट इज रोटवारी सेटलमेंट और रोटवारी सिस्टम स्टार्ट किया कुछ ही एरियाज में कैप्टन रीड के द्वारा. and it was devised means it was planned by Captain Reed, then subsequently developed by Thomas Munro, then slowly subsequently means it was developed by Thomas Munro. Now two names here in Munro system. Devised means planning was done by
Captain Alexander.
Captain Alexander Reed, and it was developed by
Thomas Munro.
underline both the names with the activities or with the working, what contribution is there in Munro system, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा लोग बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं इसमें. When device is asked, they write Thomas Munro. When development is asked, they write Alexander Reed. So be careful when device is asked. Device means planning किया गया था सिर्फ न्यू सिस्टम की. It was under Captain Alexander Reed, and when it was further developed under Thomas Munro. Clear? And this system was gradually extended all over South India. और धीरे धीरे वो पूरा South India में develop हो गया, spread हो गया. कौन सा system?
Munro system.
Munro system. Clear? Reed and Munro felt that in the south there was no traditional zamindars. In the southern area, southern India, no traditional zamindars were there. Traditional zamindar means जिनको जो सदियों से अपने एरिया में काम करते आ रहे हैं, we can say अपने लैंड पर काम करते आ रहे हैं. तो नो ट्रेडिशनल मीन्स fathers have been working on the same land. तो इस टाइप से कोई जमींदार नहीं थे southern part में. The settlement they argued had to be made directly with the cultivators. अब ये जो settlement था, Rotwari settlement और also called as Munro system, ये settlement जो था ये directly किसके साथ बनाया गया, किसके साथ किया गया? Cultivators के साथ. Cultivators were also called as Roids. Cultivators were also called as Roids. Rights. Underline this. Rights was the name given to cultivators. Cultivators means farmers. Cultivators means.
Ma'am, rights is which land?
बेटा ये वहां पर ये अपने ब्रिटिश में कल्टीवेटर्स को यहाँ तो जैसे फार्मर्स बोलते हैं, पेजेंट्स बोलते हैं, तो वहां पर वो लोग राइट्स बोलते थे. क्लियर? इसीलिए रोटवारी सिस्टम के नाम से वो जाना गया. तो this system was directly, the settlement they argued had to be made directly with whom? Directly with the
Cultivators.
with the cultivators. Now who are the cultivators?
Farmers.
Yes,
Farmers.
So to be made directly with the cultivators who had tilled the land for generations. Now they argued means they disagree that they had to make this type of settlement with whom? With the cultivators who had tilled the land for generations. जो generation से उस land पर काम करते आ रहे हैं, उनके साथ ही वो ये settlement करना चाहते थे. Their fields had to be carefully and separately surveyed before the revenue assessment was made. Revenue पहले tax. I have put present. Okay, before this revenue has to be put on the lands which were being cultivated by the farmers for generations, it had to be properly surveyed. पहले proper survey करना जैसे यहाँ पर हमने देखा था न्यू सिस्टम में, मालवारी सिस्टम में proper survey was done. कितनी लैंड कितनी फर्टाइल है, कितना उससे रेवेन्यू मिल सकता है, वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी इन लोगों ने देखा कि carefully the land should be surveyed, that for how many generations it has been with the particular farmer. Then Munro thought that the British should act as a paternal father. British को कैसे act करना है? Paternal farmer. What does the word paternal means? Father side. Paternal means from the father side. और इसका just opposite from the mother side को बोलेंगे?
Maternal.
Very good. Maternal. Mother side को बोलेंगे maternal. So from the father's side, Munro thought that the British should act. Britishers कैसे act करना चाहिए उनको, कि जैसे वो एक उनके पिताजी के side के हैं, by protecting the rights under their charge, ताकि वो protect करें rights के charge को. Clear? Rights means